Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you can see, today I'll be showing you the Valorant closed beta installation, like what you're gonna do after getting the key. Okay, so as you can see right on the screen, I just got the key yesterday. So it took me for 4 days almost. I was watching Summit Monzi stream. So basically I got it like that way. It was just a struggle, as you know, only it's a closed beta. So yeah, that's it. I got the key. So this is a notification, as you can see. Alright, so if I click on it, then on my inventory it's gonna show this Valorant. Okay, game account connected. And also when you will be getting the key, if you forget about checking the notification, just go ahead to your mail. You'll also gonna get a mail about the Valorant closed beta is now yours, as you can see from the Riot Games itself. So it says congrats, you now have access to the Valorant closed beta and new competitive stage to shine from. Head to Valorant. Okay, we have to go to the website first of all and then hit the download button. Alright, sign in is required, I guess. Oh, restore your PC, log back in and you're ready to play Valorant. Okay, so we have to restore our PC also. Okay, so sign in first of all. Right. Okay, so let me type it once again. Here we go. Just gonna put sign in. Alright, I'm logged in. Gonna save the shit. Then Valorant, take your status. You were in. Yeah. So download now and start playing. So we have to just download the client. So that's the client, as you can see. So it's 65 MB. Downloading pretty fast. Alright, so now I have to install. I'm just gonna install in C drive only, I guess, by default on my NVMe. Okay, so the size is 7.9 gigabyte. So cool. I didn't expect this much low, so but it's good for us since the size is low. Also, you can check your installation path, like where you want to install. So I'm going with C since I have NVMe on C. So I'll be installing on my NVMe SSD. So install. Now it will use our internet. So I can see first of all we have a 144.5 megabyte. Okay. Riot Games, updating games. Alright, now I have to sign in again. Here we go. I'm just gonna put stay sign in. Stay sign in will allow you to play faster without having sign in every time. You will stay sign in on this computer until you sign out, even when you exit. Okay, let's go. So basically guys, this tutorial is for everyone, okay? Every country. I'm not specifying only a specific country in this tutorial, so you can use this in any of the country. Alright, so accept. Okay, here's the main download, I guess, of 3.3 gigabyte. So basically, as I said, yeah, it's for all the country. So even I'm also using VPN, as you can see. I'm using ExpressVPN right now on the NA server. So yeah, it's workable, guys. And also, if you want any tips of getting the key, I would just get a premium VPN, or maybe I don't know how it works on the free one, so I'm not sure about that. But on my side, I had the ExpressVPN, so I used that, and I watched a couple of hours mostly. When I just go to sleep, I just put this on the stream. And also don't forget to put the volume. Okay, if you just mute the stream, then it won't gonna count, by the way. I saw, and also on the Reddit, I guess on some other forums, I just saw that it doesn't count the hours you have viewed. According to their article, it says that you can watch up to 2 or more hours, then you might get the key. But no, I have already tried, because lots of people are watching at the same time. That's why we have to watch more. And also you have to be lucky. Luck is very much needed in this, because lots of viewers are there. So yeah, have to do the hard work. Also you need unlimited internet, by the way, because if you have a FUP internet, then rest in peace, guys, because you have to leave the stream like that, you know, overnight. So yeah, this is how it works for me. It worked for me, by the way. I don't know what about in case of yours, but you can give it a try if you haven't got the key yet. Alright, so as you can see, it's still downloading. So yeah, according to your internet speed, you're just gonna download. Okay, seems like we are done. Now I gotta play. What happened if I just click on play? Let's try. Okay, well, it said that I have to restart my system, but no. Okay, loading, select display name. Okay, I'll just gonna put circ. Confirm. Okay, now we got a system reboot required. Vanguard anti-cheat has not finished installing. Please reboot your computer to finish the installation. Vanguard anti-cheat protects the game from cheaters and is required to play the game. Alright, so time to restart. Have to quit the game. Also, now I won't be using the VPN when I'll be after restarting the computer, I mean to say. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so I'm back from the restart, guys. So basically now I'll be testing Valorant without the VPN. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, it's coming now. Loading. Alright, we got some music. This is my first time launching now after the restart. So I won't be playing right now. So that was it, guys. That's Valorant. Okay, closed beta. I hope you liked this tutorial. So this is only after you getting the key. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Have fun and rock and roll in Valorant if you got the key. Okay, so thank you and later, guys. Peace out, have fun and stay safe. Stay inside. Bye bye.
Not bad. All right, track down that waypoint. It'll lead you to the teleporter.